In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for content planning. If you're looking to organize your workflow efficiently and keep track of your content planning tasks, then this guide is just for you. We'll walk through the steps to set up your Trello board and customize it to suit your needs. To start, let's head over to Trello.com. Open your browser and type in that URL. Once you land on the homepage, if this is your first time, you might want to explore some of the features Trello offers, but don't worry, we'll cover the important ones here today. Next, you'll need to log in. Trello gives you the convenience of logging in using various accounts like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Alternatively, you can use your email address if that's your preference. Look for the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and follow the prompts to enter your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, you will be directed to your Trello workspace. This is where all the magic happens. The next step is to click on the board section in your workspace. Boards in Trello are where you create lists and cards to organize your tasks. Think of them as digital pinboards where you can visually map out your content planning process. Now it's time to create a new board. Look for the button that says Create a New Board and click on it. This new board is going to be your hub for managing your content. You can name it whatever suits your project, perhaps something like Content Planner or Social Media Calendar. Once your board is created, utilize the search bar at the top and type in Social Media Marketing Board. This will help you find relevant templates that you can use to kickstart your planning process. Templates are incredibly useful as they come preloaded with lists and cards that can save you time and provide inspiration. After performing the search, locate a template that fits your needs and click on the Use Template button. This will copy the template onto your board and you import all of its pre-made lists and cards. These are fully customizable, so they're a great starting point. The final step is to personalize this template to better fit your content planning process. You can move cards around, add new ones, or delete what you don't need. Make sure each card includes relevant information like deadlines, content details, and any other notes. Trello allows you to add attachments, labels, due dates, and more, so take advantage of these features to keep everything organized. And there you have it, a fully customized Trello board ready for your content planning needs. Trello's flexibility and user-friendly interface help streamline your workflow and ensure your content strategy stays on track. Don't forget to check back and update your board regularly as you progress. Happy planning!